Greetings and welcome, friends. We've been talking about logarithmic functions and kind of solving logarithmic equations. Last night's quest was on page 723. Here's question 45. It says log base 6 of 216 equals x. Now you might, if you're really good, I don't know, maybe you know what that is right off the bat, because that is asking the question 6 to what power is 216? But the other thing you can sometimes do that can be helpful, not always, is you could rewrite this as exponential form. So the base was 6, so that means 6 to the x is equal to 216. And you might have realized, oh, 216 is the same as 6 to the third. Therefore, if two things of the same base are equal and their powers are equal, then their exponents must be the same, sort of thing like that. So x must equal 3. But yeah, you might have been able to figure that out if you asked yourself the logarithmic question of 6 to what power is 216. You might have been like, oh, 6 to the third, and just been able to say x equals 3 right off the bat. But that's fine. So some logarithmic equation problems can be solved by sometimes rewriting them into exponential form once you have it written as a single logarithm. And then other ones are a little bit more interesting, like question 51 here, in which I'm going to, let's see, I've got a bunch of logs on the left equal to a log on the right. If I can rewrite this whole left-hand side as a single logarithm, that would be amazing. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine these two logs on the inside. And you might remember that the sum of two logs is the same as the log of a product. So that's log base 7 of 8 times x equals log base 7 of 16. And then you might remember, oh wait, wasn't there some power property where I could change an exponent into a number out front or vice versa? So I'll have this is the same as log base 7 of 8x all to the 1/2. And now I've got two logs equal to each other. Their bases are the same, therefore their ofs will be equal. So 8x to the 1/2 power, by the way, is the same as the square root of 8x, if you wanted to write it that way, must equal 16. And now I'll solve this using my normal technique. So let's get rid of that square root first, so we'll square both sides. Bless you. So I'll get 8x equals 16 squared. I can't remember what that is. It was 256. I was suspicious, but I wasn't certain. It's been April vacation between this video and last, so to be fair, it's okay. So divide both sides by 8, and I get x equals 32 is the answer. Now, I have to make sure that this answer would still work within the realm of a logarithm problem. So I can just do like kind of a quick little visual check. If I plug 32 in here, it's the log of a positive number. That's fine. So that means this is probably legit. So 32 looks like that would be the answer. So yeah, thanks for watching, internet friends. Bye-bye.